federal government is in the process of trying to reform and improve federal financial management of federal assistance grants and the single audit. The White House is looking at ways to improve the federal grants process. They're looking at two things. They want to relieve burden, and they also want to improve the accountability for federal funds. There's a great push on to both relieve burden, but at the same time reduce improper payments and eliminate fraud, waste, and abuse. They're making some dramatic changes, or proposing some real changes to the single audit process and the federal grants management. Specifically, they're looking in single audit at increasing the single audit threshold. They're looking at possibly raising it from the current $500,000 to $1 million, with a modified single audit between $1 million and $3 million, and for entities expended greater than $3 million to have the full single audit. It's been proposed. They're also looking at changing the types of compliance requirements. There are currently 14 types of compliance requirements, and they're looking at reducing the number that the auditor is testing. They're also looking at making changes to the cost principle circulars. One would be they're combining the current 3 cost principle circulars into one, and possibly looking at changes to provide flexibility to have a fixed indirect cost rate or indirect cost rate that lasts for several years. They're also looking at combining the administrative requirement circulars into one circular, and things they're looking at also as time and effort reporting and changes to that. I would encourage everybody to get a copy of the Federal Register notice. Again, it was issued on February the 28th, 2012. You should be able to find it on OMB's website under Federal Financial Management, and get a copy of it, and it provides a mechanism for you to look at them thoroughly, and also would encourage you to send your comments in. All comments will be looked at. They take very seriously the comments, and if you have particular needs, no matter where you are in the grants process, whether you're at a state, local government, nonprofit organization, or if you're an auditor, it would behoove you to get a copy of that and to read through it carefully and to get your comments in.